Good day, friends. I greet you in a wonderful name of Jesus Christ. I'm Rossi Rousseau, your friend, evangelist, and I want to talk to you about Revival Project 1 that I'm busy with this Winds of campaign, Revival campaign. And I got two booklets here. I'm busy printing this booklets. It's about forgiveness did not change my past, but my future. It's testimonies all to the glory of Jesus Christ. And this booklet is about bitterness, it's about hatred, it's about anger and unforgiveness. And I'm going to distribute this booklets at events where I'm preaching and teaching, at schools and camps, churches, all those places, and also to hospitals. I'm going to evangelize at hospitals and tell people about the hope we all have in Jesus Christ and about the love of Jesus Christ. So I want you to pray with me for this Revival Project 1, that God will provide so that they can print many of these booklets. A booklet costs 12 Rand each. And I want to start printing at least 1,000 each. So I'm talking about 24,000 Rand. And I want you to pray for this project so that God will bless it. So that the truth will set people free. And so that at the end of the day, that people will receive hope through these messages in these books. So that people will be freed from bondages of bitterness, hatred, unforgiveness, and at the end of the day, also anger then. Thank you very much for all your prayers for the Revival Project. May the Lord our God bless you.